to another video. Today is finally dorm tour, but I'm really excited to finally be filming this. So excited. My dorm room I think is just the cutest this year. I'm so happy with it, and I'm so excited to show you guys all my decorations, how I organized it, the whole shebang. So I mean, you can see a little bit now, but let's just get started with it. So starting out with the door, I have this little door hanger on here, which my grandma crocheted me for last semester. But there's like a little nail just on the door anyway, so I hung it up there. So in here I keep like my keys, my car keys and my like keys to get into the building. This is where I keep all my masks. And then the bottom pocket is where I keep like my hat and gloves for winter, but I don't really need that stuff right now. This is my little alcove, I like to call it. It's this weird little like divot in the room. So this is just a bag from moving in that I'm putting there. I intend to throw it out or something, but whatever. And then here's my school backpack. Obviously, I'm just leaning it up against here to keep it like out of the way. And then here is my cart. So I'll show you a little bit of what's on it. This is like my beverage station. So my Brita filter, my kettle, some cups, tea, hot cocoa, some other like drink things. Here's some more just like random food. Some snacks are back there, water bottles. It's very random and eclectic. Silverware, which I don't even know how often I'll use, to be honest, but and then down here is where I'm keeping my shower caddy for now, kind of so like I'm just not putting it on the floor. There's some soap. Yeah, pretty fascinating. And then these are some lights. They're pretty awful, ugly lights. My roommate last year bought them and did not take them home. She bought them for Halloween. They provide literally no light. But I don't know, I hung them up anyway. And now here is my closet. So I bought this over the door rack from Target and hangs my, what is this called? My robe, my purses, and then here all my clothes, and then this hanger with my sweatshirts and my shoes. And then down here is my laundry basket, my drying rack, a few random things, my umbrella, my cleaning dustbin, which last year I had wood floors and this year I have a carpet, so I probably won't use that. Ignore how like few clothes in the closet. I don't really hang up a lot of my clothes. I like to put them in the drawers. Moving on to this little window area. We'll do top to bottom. This is a little hanging wood mobile that I painted with the kids I babysat over the summer. Cute, hung it up here for memes. Here are some of my plants and my crystals. I'll show you the names of all my plants. This is Charm. He's getting really long. For some of my plants that are really long like this, my mom is going to crochet me little hanging like baskets for them. So then I'm gonna like hang them up on the top of here for cuteness, but I don't have that yet, so he's sitting here now. That's my little water sprayer, some crystals. This one is named Jake. This one is named Bucky. And this guy is named Finn. So these ones are Finn and Jake from Adventure Time. I bought them at the same time. And then this is my little storage cube, which I put blankets in, and it's like just nice to like sit and throw random stuff on there. Okay, so this is my dresser. Let me show you the top, the bottom. It's cute. Okay, so top to bottom again. The top, this is a little DIY I made. I am in love with this section. So these are towels that my great grandmother made. I was helping my grandma clean out some stuff in her room and I found this. So I just bought wooden dowels, twine, and then like hung them up, and it looks really cool. So on my dresser, we have a Hershey Kiss here, which I plan on eating later. Then I have a box of tissues, deodorant, my jewelry box, my jewelry stand, and this adorable little lamp, which I just bought from Home Goods for like $10, just to, you know, supply a little more light to the area. And then here, this is like bras, underwear, socks, and pajamas. And then this is my shirts and pants. And then in here are all my towels and some of my sheets. And then this bottom drawer here is just like miscellaneous storage stuff. So like a bunch of cleaning supplies, a bunch of like extra like razor head, more toothpaste, batteries. You get the gist. Just a bunch of like random little things. Also, the reason I have so few clothes here is because These are all of my warm summery clothes, and when it starts getting colder, I'll switch out like my tank tops and shorts for like more pants and long sleeve shirts. But yeah, this is a really cute carpet that I got off of Depop, but it's originally from Urban Outfitters, I think, and it's originally like doormat, but because the room's so small, I could just use it as a regular old carpet. Here's my fan, because it's really hot in here, and my trash can, which is like already full just from moving. So this is a locker shelf I bought from Target, which I just thought looked really cute to like elevate things and make this space look a little less cluttered. Then I have my crystal box, and then more crystals. This plant is named Ella. And this plant is named Raya. So this one's named Ella after Cinderella, and that one's named Raya after Raya and the Last Dragon. And then this is my lantern. Everyone at my school gets a lantern to like represent knowledge, the light of knowledge being passed down as you enter the school year. So I got that freshman year, and super cute. So now we're on to my desk. So here's my laptop, which is charging currently. My mouse pad, my mouse. This is my mirror. She lights up. This is my makeup box. This is my makeup brushes, and then this is all my makeup and hair. This is my schedule for the semester. It's still a work in progress because I haven't gotten my work schedule yet. I don't know like what shifts I'm gonna have during the week, but this is like what time all my classes are. And then this is a little key. I color code all my classes, and I just wrote down the class and the color on a post-it note. Here's my lamp, which I also had last year, and it has a little USB port, so this is where I plug in my phone at night. And then this is my little bedside table area, because my bed's right here. So this is a tissue box. This is my room spray, my pillow spray, and then this also doubles as like a ring dish, and it's just a nice little space. On top of here, I have my books and my 2 journals. This is just a little decorative owl, 2 decorative owls. My school mascot is an owl, so my grandma always buys me little owl tchotchkes she sees around. And these are some Polaroids of some of my friends. This is a mug the kids I babysat made for me, so cute. This is a stuffed bear that was my grandfather's. And then this is a mini little gallery wall. So that is a painting I made. That is another owl Christmas ornament that I hung up there. And then those are 2 picture frames. I plan on maybe getting a few more to fill up this space. Okay, if y'all are interested, I'm gonna show you my drawers. So this is my main drawer. I feel like this is pretty self-explanatory. Like, it's all just like school stuff, like self-explanatory in there. This one is like my products. So this is all my skincare products, and then this is a lot of hair care. And then in here, I have my nail polish. This is a little bag where I just keep like medicine, like Advil, Zyrtec, stuff like that. Nail polish remover. Oh, this is a bag where I keep extra chargers so they don't get all tangled. Those are my contacts. This is a first aid kit. Pretty, I don't know, random stuff in there. And then this one's empty. I don't know what I'm gonna fill it with, but I have nothing in this bottom drawer yet. Okay, and now finally onto my bed. My bed just looks so freaking pretty. I'm in love with it. Look at it! Okay, more in depth. These string lights are from TJ Maxx. These are just like these leaves from Amazon. These are really pretty tapestries, also from Amazon. Target, no clue. I think Home Goods, no clue. This is just a blanket I've had like forever. It's all the same stuff I had in my dorm room last year, but just like organized in a different way, and I just love the look. It looks so nice. She's so pretty. Look at her. This is my sophomore year dorm room, and I also wanted to show you a bit of like organization tips, like what I did to organize my dorm room. So yeah, there it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm so excited to be here. Classes start tomorrow. Like, I'm just so excited for this school year. It's going to be so much fun. So I hope you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more college content as the semester goes on. Bye guys.